Okay, let's do our nails. So first I have my nails ready to go and prepped. I'm just giving them a light buff to get rid of the shine. And now I'm going in with my base coat. For my gel polish, this is Kiara Sky's Raspberry Smash. I did 2 coats of this. You only need 2 coats. After that, I'm going to go in with my non-wipe top coat. This is by Macart. I have been doing my own press-ons for a very long time now, so I'm just going to share my tips and tricks on how to make them look like their salon nails. I'm cutting the free edge, buffing away the cuticle, buffing away the shine and excess glue from the last set, making sure that I tidy up the free edge, and now I'm going to go in with my dehydrator. Doing this step really ensures that my manicure lasts for up to 3 to 4 weeks. I used to do my nails like every 2 weeks, but girl, I ain't got the time. I'm trying to stretch them for a whole month, and I find that doing these little things really help them to last. The glue is also by Macart. First, I put some on the false nail and spread it out, and then I put some on my natural nail and also spread it out, and I'm gonna press it down for 3 minutes to be exact, not 45 seconds like the package says. I hold it down for 3 minutes to make sure that glue is really nice and dry under there. I'm just trying to give it a chance to last as long as possible. Now I'm using some acetone to remove any residue from the glue, and instead of cuticle oils, I like to use hand creams because I feel like the oil can kind of seep down in the nail and loosen it up, especially when they're freshly done. And voila, that's how I like to do my nails. Aren't they pretty? OMG, they look like I did them in the salon.